afternoon everyone, I Shmeet welcome you all over here at CPJ campus. Today in collaboration with GJSIPU University, National Commission for Women has organized an event on the topic NRI matrimonial issues. Here we have the organizing committee member from GJSIPU University, Professor Dr. Shivani Goswami. Ma'am, I welcome you.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, what was the idea behind the event?
What I think was the purpose was that this area is a very sedate and a very somber issue. We usually talk about, women, that they're very vulnerable. We talk about incessant number of violence that are being committed against women. But I think as far as this NRI women is concerned, women who are married to NRI people, their topic is not that much taken upon. And what I feel is that their position is very vulnerable. It is very pitiable because if we talk about the laws also, although they are there, but the thing is, there is still a lot of bewilderment. Yes. And the sufferings that they're being pestered, they are being tormented, and they're going to that place where they're not aware of anything. Here, I just talked about a few minutes back also, that in India, we are aware about the laws, we know people, we have support system. But the thing is, still we have a fear. We have this trepidation to go to the police station. But think about that woman who is totally, and she's going in a country where she's not aware of anything. And then she's being pestered and tortured by her husband, or she's deserted, she's being abandoned. Right. She's being sent to her own country, and I'll say she's not a bride in a proper sense. And then there are a lot of issues that crop up. It could be relating to maintenance, it could be relating to divorce, it could be relating to the custody of the children, so on and so forth. So the thing is, the purpose was that people should be aware of that this is an area which really needs to be addressed upon. So that was the reason NCW had sponsored this program, and we had taken up this program, and I think it was very enriching one, very captivating one.
Yes, ma'am. I think student was very happy and very indulging towards the event which I have organized. Question answer round में they was asking, and it was very much उनको curiosity बहुत ज़्यादा थी.
Yeah, that's right.
कैसा experience रहा CPJ में? कैसे इसको?
Because I have come here for the very first time, and it was a very good experience, and I think the people here are very, they have welcomed us with open arms, and it was a very great way, and I really liked all the people here because they are very friendly. I'll say that. It was very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, anything you want to tell about how these events are helpful for this generation who are coming, and awareness बहुत कम होती है, तो उन बच्चों के लिए चीज़ें ऐसी और कौन से ऐसे issues आप कहते हो और highlight होने चाहिए?
What I feel is कि you are absolutely right. हम लोग जब law पढ़ाते भी हैं तो हम लोग हमेशा यही बोलते हैं कि laws, तो मैं तो ये बोलूँगी हमारी country में laws इतने हैं जितनी हमारी population है. Right. There is no dearth of laws in this country. Exactly. But the thing is, when you talk about the implementation, right, that thing is that एग्जीक्यूट होते ही नहीं है. हमारे इतने हम लोग चीज़ें लेके आते हैं, बट जब उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का सवाल आता है तब वहाँ पे हम लोग ज़ीरो हो जाते हैं. एंड एज अ रिजल्ट दीज काइंड्स ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स दे आर एस्केलेटिंग, दे आर माउंटिंग अप लाइक एनीथिंग. सो अगर हम लॉज बनाते हैं तो वी शुड कीप इन माइंड कि इसका एग्जीक्यूशन कैसे होगा. सो दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट जो हम नहीं इतना ध्यान दे पाते. तो दिस शुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ.
Definitely, ma'am. I also feel policy making and implementation has a different scenario, and working and implementation
that's
have to be strong
right.
in it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming. It was lovely having you over here.
Same here.
Definitely looking for your more presidency.
Yeah, definitely. I would love to come to this place. It's a beautiful place.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.